Steven? There you are. That's right, Joy left. Ooh, her dad is gone too. Celery sticks. Hey, Assist, how's it going? Welcome. Oh yes, old Teetle Grinch. Castrum Century. We've been there. Time to liberate some supplies. Hello, I am here to acquire some Imperial crate. Thank you for complying. Great. That old gray cat, she ain't what she used to be. Ooh, gates do not stop me. Oh boy. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, getting shot hurts. Give crate. Give crate. Tap my box for good luck. It's like a real power station. Oh, don't mind me. You don't care. Better jumpo. Ooh, one big boy. Boom! Big shot. Give crate, thank you. We go. Steven. I have your boxes. The broom. Oh, aye, the creaky old hunter. Aye, he got himself paying work and saws they'll go get married. Wow, good for him. Some carpenter. If he was a hunter, it makes sense that... he's a hunter, a new job, and a new husband. We go west. Goodbye, Cellar Sticks. Joy, where are you? Joy! Steven! Joy! Celery sticks! Moogle! Hey, Sensei, welcome, thank you. Any sign of her? Oh, it's her right there! It is her right there! What? was game. You can't make it this easy.
Space.
Thank you,
Space
Joye.
birthday.
Space bits. Joye, please. Celery sticks and peanut butter are so good. Celery sticks by themselves are not. Like, they're okay, but they're just... Bleh. One what doesn't cause problems. Something definitely smells afoot. Throes of self-righteous ambition. Seven crisis of faith he is. Maybe you could give him an ear so we could have a chin wag, eh? Welcome back. What? Thank you. Prospectometer. Result is always the same. Brick by painful brick. I thought you differed from the other nobles, but you're all the same. You give him, what for, celery sticks? Oh shit, he's leaving too. A new weapon. That guy's back there is wondering if he can stick his hand in quick enough to get it out. It's like I could just real quick. I dropped my lollipop in there. Oh, I really want it back. Auto crossbow. Deployment orders. Oh no. Steven's right here for us again. Dang, this is falling apart. I had to deploy myself. This sucks. Oh, this fucker. I'll shoot you, buddy. I'll do it. In reserve. I mean, he's right, though. Look at this real piece of shit here. It's German. It stands for the doll, Grinch. Celery sticks! Her father's being held captive. Oh, you're gosh dang right it is. Yeah, it's a bit all too quick for my likings. Or I'm a Chocobo's third cousin. Heckin' Teetle Grinch can't play fair. Don't know how to play fair. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, Rusted Stall. we promised a machinist. Hell yeah, let's go. Break out. Let's do a prison break. Cyan's a color. You a bunch of goofballs. Cat goggles. What's the deets? I'll just call you MM. This is Mega Man. Right behind the door. I can't look over there, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm just gonna shoot him! Yeah! Hey, buddy. How you doing? Just step back or I'll crash your brains and it's my first day on the job! Get out of here! I have not, Honora, no. You shot me! Yeah, buddy, and I'll do it again. Well, he didn't say for how long, did he? Behind yonder door. What? We're just recruiting. I'll carry him across the city. Aw. We got you, buddy. Agoo. Zoom tight. Some bastard begging your pardon. That's messed up. Oh, good one. Pepper breath. Pwah! No. Yeah, that's what we said too. Hey, egrets, much poggin. Rescuing dads, so our gun wife can go back to shooting. We even bolstered our ranks here. Hell yeah. Oh no. Really? Can't believe you missed one. Ross! Oh shit, are you okay, dude? Uh-oh. About time you got back, you found Joye's dad then? That's what he sounds like. Good. He's a Shrek, isn't he? Donkey, get me my best pistol. For these dainty knights get their asses handed to them. Yeah, cat goggles. Oh shit, that's a lot of... Did I? Why won't you let me use auto crossbow? You just gave it to me. Oh, because I already forgot how to use it. So I'm not overusing. Alright, let's try it out. Oh, there's a big boy down there. Here we go. Wait. Holy shit! That rules! And is in fact an auto crossbow. Coming for the oh shit! Please don't kill their friends! Oh, I'm silenced, you fucker! Boom! Oh no, he killed some dudes! It's fine. Dude. Well, thank you. Oh, Beans, he's right behind me, isn't he? Oh shit! Oh! Wow, I'm good. I didn't even draw my weapon. Joy! Yeah! Joy's back, Joy's back, Joy's back. Gun wife. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Look, the fun music too. Whoa! Oh, pardon me, my lord. Just thought I would, if not bothering you too much, just thought I would kill the dragon. Would you, like to come work at the manufactory? Oh, hell yeah, she's footing up! Heck that guy. Woo! I thought they were gonna drag that out. Like, I thought the last quest would be like the one where we get her to return. What's up? Say thanks, that's all. Yeah, good enough. It's asshole. What was that face we made? Wow. What up, Mega Dingus? Bring it on. Is it true that you call your hair with P? We know it was you, and we find you very sus. Just let me shoot him. I'll do it. You don't have to pay me for it. Steven! Welcome back, Joye. Another side that really exists and comes out when she starts shooting. And just swearing. How else are you gonna get ghosts to notice you? I did it. I'm so good at this game. Steven. Yeah, it's been obvious. A new gunshot. Hell yeah. Heated split shot. Hey, Volpine. Yep. I still need to do the Heaven's Word and the Stormblood ones. Greetings! Is this not a wonderful day to be a machinist? Nice, nice. Fomenting insurrection. Uh-oh. Okay, I did kind of do that. Look, just give me another trial by combat. It's fine. Or maybe we haven't done this yet, depending on when this video goes up. Ignore what I just said. He'd done a trap. And we fell right into it. Quest! Help Steven think of something! because they're bastards. All of them. No, Rustenstall. Rustenstall. Thank you, celery sticks. Well, that cat's naked now. Celery sticks. Yep. Any word? Fredo. Oh, Mr. Fredo, we got to take the ring to the volcano. No, I don't think that's true. Not from what I was reading. But something to be wary of just in case. Tough tail feather we go. Fredo. To tail feather. Ooh, that looks cool. There's some all in the royal Levin weather. Quite the suspicious fellow. Hello, Fredo. No witnesses. Oh, you guys know how to do a stealth mission. Stealth kill. Thanks for letting me know what to do there, buddy. It's a good Ronin, yeah. That's just his name. Man, this dirtbag Grinch head is doing all the nasty tricks in the book. Dude, it's not your fault. Yeah! Let's recruit! Everyone will rise up! I can set you free. Aww. You don't gotta be Fredo no more. Oh shit, wait. Let us return! Hello, Stephen. The tables have turned. The tables the turn, my friend, my friend, my friend. Wheels of justice. The turntables. Remember your bleeding practice drills. Oi! Shrek! Yeah. Tactician. No, don't. Oh, actually, yeah, squish the cat's okay. Squish, squish, squish. Bad news! Oh no. The one who can pay off all the guards. Push him in the thing! Squish his head! God, this guy's such a bastard. I said good day, sir. Very slow. This has to be some sort of trick. We'll kill it, and he'll somehow make it look like he did it. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. What do we do? Especially not one who's known for getting drunk and shooty. Also, I'm the one who's been shooting in town, actually. This is why rebuilding his card is a mistake. What do we do, Steven? Clear lightning crystals. I'll do it. I'll get them. Let's go. Oh, well. Oh shit. I'm just gonna take this basket if you don't mind. Bam! Gotcha. We go. I have the crystals. Not a single trace of any of the other 5 elements can be detected. Ethereal Transformer. Yeah! Drill. Oh shit. Ah! Rostenstall. Oh, this isn't good. Rostenstall? Point blank. Uh-oh. Is he trying to make himself look bad? Alright, sorry buddy. Boom! We've had the Catboys on Mars, not yet. We're still looking. Bloody hells. I can shoot a heckin' drill now! A noble. We're an Ishgard. It's safe to assume it's a noble. His name is Tito Grinch, and he's a real piece of shite. You can just call him the Grinch if you want. One condition. What's that, Shrek? I talk the contracts aside, let me help fight in the very Saturday nightmare. Sorry. It's a matter of penance. Back when I was still in charge of the Kudas, I lied to my subordinates. Instead of serving the thalassocracy, I had lads working to further my own agenda. It all came apart, though, when I sent a lot of them off to die in a battle they had no business being in. Crikey! that's the Roganin accent there. Oh damn. Yeah, I'm here this time, buddy. Of course we'll come out alive. Or at least I will. Lead us in a pre-battle drill. Well then I've got the during battle drill. Steven, one more time. The last rodeo. Oh, sorry, Rise of the Machinists. And his father. Joye! Hi, Joy. You're welcome. Count Baron Dwinde Heinart. Well, yes. No, times have changed. Yeah, you stop being a jerk. Well, good on him. Mr. Sticks. Captain? Another bleeding celebration? They're just stronger versions. It's pretty cool. A feast! Don't say that. Don't curse us. Why does it sound like a snake back there? I think we're crafted wrong, dude. Forest God! We go. Cheers! Ah! Steven, we go. We are ready. Where is this dragon, Big Dorcas? Wagon of meat. Time to eat. Within the hour. We'll freeze to death out here, heck boy. Is that a beard or a chin strap? If you die, it's fine. We'll forgive you. It's both. Fuck you, dude. I'm coming for your nuts. I'm gonna crush them. Shoot all of the bullets. Why is that an emote you have? Uh-oh. Dragons, ready? Drill! Boom! Uh-oh. Oh, what? Oh, shit. Celery sticks! I'm coming, buddy! Holy fudge! Oh, get hecked, all of you nerds! Yeah. I didn't see that big. It didn't seem much bigger than the other ones we just fought. Survive! Yeah! Yeah! Get him! Yeah! The dragon's on our side! This dragon rules. I'm letting him live. No, it's fine. Yeah, agreed. Listen to him for once. Let him die. What is with this dragon's head? What is this thing? Okay, look. Wait, why is the dragon being so patient? Curse you, Steven. Fucking asshole. We gotta fix the dragon. Well, that's what we're here to do. If you're done yapping, we're a bit bloody busy. Oh shit. Yeah, Joye rules. She should just shoot him now. Boom, I said shut up. Thank you, dragons, for being patient, I guess. Let's do this. I have saved the big drill for you, my friend. You weird dog-headed dragon thing. Ready? Big drill! 10k damage! Oh, I should have used my bomb. Fuck. Drill! Boom! Here you go, I'm a tactician or some shit now. Oh, he wants me to go... Oh, god damn it. I want to fight the big boy! I'm here to fight the big boy! Yeah, well, he's dumb. Ow! Oh, right here, you get another big drill, fucker! Uh-oh, I have my robot. Robot, shoot him! Drill! Let's go! No! I wanted to drill one more time! Bump, 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 bump it to bump, 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 bump it to bump. We did it, fuckface. Leave us alone forever. Can you do that? Oh yeah, that's actually what it is. Oh my gosh, this fuck. Total cringe, yeah. Hey, Scorin, how's it going? Sharp as your tongue. You're too quiet. Thank you, Steven. Joy, celery sticks, even Shrek. It's cold. Can we please leave? Cat goggles. Steven! Yeah! So that you can blast through any pile of shite that might stand in your way. Thanks, Shrek. Yeah, don't worry about that. Heated slug shot. We warm up our slugs before shooting them. Or eating them, whichever you prefer. I'm a machinist, not a man! Yeah! This is the level 60 machinist outfit. It's very good. I think we could even... Woo-hoo-hoo, baby! Look, we can actually see our eyes behind the goggles too. It's not just flat red. It's not entirely opaque. Oh, it's so good.